It's the happiest day of the year, New Shoes Day, and the most I've ever paid for a pair of shoes either. Thank you to my wonderful brother-in-law for his great discount and saving me money on this fabulous pair of kicks that I got. So these are Vans Kenzo Paris. So I do normally try to wear Vans or Converse are the two brands of shoes that I like. So let's go ahead and have a look inside this beautiful floral print box that they sent. Put that up right there. Okay, all right. Got the nice plastic wrapping on there. The new shoe smell. That's very, very nice. All right, let's get that out of there. Green shoestrings attached to it, and take a look at these. Oh yeah, look at that. That is a friggin' shoe right there. Oh, heck yeah. So white shoelaces with a green option. I don't know which one I'm gonna go with yet. So many choices.